San Isabel Electric doesn't just serve in southern Colorado, we're part of the community. I'm also an employee and member of San Isabel Electric, and if you ever have to call the organization, San Isabel, you're likely to call somebody that you know because we live in the community that we serve. In late June, the spring fire hit our service territory. Restoration efforts were quick, and we were able to restore power to many homes, but several homes were damaged beyond repair. We remain committed to southern Colorado and our members as we rebuild as a community together.
My name is Edward Smith. I've been with San Isabel Electric for 22 years. Shutting power off to members is always the hardest thing. Linemen, San Isabel, we're there to provide power to our members. Shutting power off is not something we like to do. So a lineman's point of view is the pain it took to shut people's off, because I knew there were some stubborn people that didn't want to evacuate their homes, and we were shutting power off to those too. But I felt like I would be the last one. If I had to, I would run inside my house, I would grab my dog, and I would leave if I had to. But I thought my role was very much so more important to those people that were out there. It was my job and my duty to protect them first. Knowing that San Isabel was on the job and we were there to turn their power back on is also huge for San Isabel to care that much about their members.
My name's David Electric. I'm the Veta Fire Chief, Veta Fire Protection District Chief, and I've been Fire Chief for going on 13 years now. Been a member with San Isabel for 30 years. So we are truly blessed to have partners like San Isabel within our community, and especially with Veta Fire Protection District. San Isabel Electric has helped us receive a $300,000 Red Lake loan to help build this station here. Without that station, we couldn't have done what we did during the spring fire. Over the years, San Isabel's been a great partner with Veta Fire on a number of different things, from monetary donations, excess vehicles. We've received 3 or 4 different vehicles from San Isabel. One of them we still have in service as one of our main rescue trucks. So I would say that San Isabel's been a great partner with Veta Fire.
All our members should always know that San Isabel is on their side, and we care tremendously about our members, because our linemen, take for instance, they went out on the 5th of July on a holiday weekend to start assessing damage as soon as we could, without even questioning, without complaining. We all showed up to go assess their damage so we could restore power. So it doesn't matter whether it's going to be a fire or a snowstorm, a lightning storm. We put our own lives most of the time aside to put their their lives in front of ours, and that's what San Isabel does. That's what we do as a co-op without complaining. That's what we do.